I would have recorded more of this, but how's it going? Haven't talked to you in a while. This is what I've been doing, what we've been doing. Bought this camper to go camping. The edge of the window seal was leaked through, rotted all that out. I had to replace all that. Now it's all replaced, and I just got to put a couple nailers in there, right there. Maybe one here and here, and then I'll tongue and groove this whole thing. And making a butcher block cutting board countertop. This is going to come out. That pink is no bueno. Found it's leaking back here. When we tore the bunks out, there used to be bunks here. Tore all that out. This is just going to be one big bedroom. Took the water heater out. Gonna go to a tankless. Gonna finish stripping the rest of the floor out. I'm gonna replace the perimeter board first, and then replace that corner. It's totally rotted out and missing. Right there, non-existent. So is that. So I'm gonna cut that back, replace that, and re-insulate after we do the floor. And then I gotta do the ceiling too, because the ceiling was all full of mouse crap and shells and seeds and everything else up there. So this is what we've been doing. Thanks for watching.